Hi, Wes Scott from Lifeback Law Firm. We've done a number of these blogs over the course of time talking about how will filing Chapter 7 bankruptcy affect a co-signer. And I don't it never gets tiring because these things impact your lives and it concerns co-debtors, right? What happens to me? Am I filing bankruptcy? No, you're not filing bankruptcy, co-signer. The other party's filing a bankruptcy. They're getting rid of their liability on the debt. You are not. And that's just the point. So in terms of co-signed debt, the co-signer's liability doesn't go away for the debt just because you're filing, because the co-signer didn't file bankruptcy. You did. Only the person filing a bankruptcy can get rid of their liability, not anybody else, right? And people always want to know, well, how do I prevent the co-signer from being impacted by the bankruptcy, which is really not the question. The question really is, just forget about bankruptcy. How do I make sure the co-signer is not impacted? And that is to make sure the co-signed debt remains current. And that's true whether you file bankruptcy or not. As long as that loan is current, it doesn't affect the co-signer. But whether you file bankruptcy or not, if you're not current on the loan, it will negatively affect the co-signer. So the key, of course, as always, is to stay current on the co-signed debt when the time is right, when you are ready to get your life back with gentleness, kindness, helpfulness. Reach out to Minnesota's most kind and helpful bankruptcy law firm right here at Lifeback Law Firm. You're going to be so thankful you did.